Here with Remax Select Properties, and I am with my very good friend Patricia Locke, and we are going to share with you her latest new listing at Kits 360. Hello everybody. This home is a 1-bedroom plus den plus flex. It's got parking, it's got storage, it's got everything that you would need. Not only is this a fantastic home, it's located in a fantastic building. You've got 24-hour concierge. There is a phenomenal rooftop deck that gives you a 360-degree view of Kits Lano, hence the building's name, Kits 360. There's also a great gym, a meeting room, and a theater room. Location-wise, we're 2 blocks from Broadway and the 99 bus that takes you directly to UBC. We're also a few blocks from the beach, and all of the amenities are essentially outside the doorstep. This building was built by Intergulf in 2013, and in 2014 they received the award for Best Mid-Low-Rise Building by the Urban Development Institute. With Remax Select Properties. If you'd like more information on this home and how I can help you get into it, do give me a call. 778-838-2378 is my phone number.